This is a 2011 GMC Savana 3500 mirror replacement. When you're going to do this repair, this is what you're dealing with right here. There's a plate right here, it's like a triangle. That's where the piece goes. I'm going to show you real quick how to replace it easily. Okay, step one with this repair, inside your interior, there's a little panel here. You got to pull this off, okay? This allows you to see, and you just pull on it, okay, and it comes right out. Now, this is so simple. There's just a couple bolts inside. You have one there, one up there, okay, and there's another one tucked in. There's another one tucked in the back here. There it is, it's hiding. It's right there. Okay, so I'm going to get some sockets. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Now, whatever you do not buy your mirror from the dealer. Just trust me, you're going to get ripped off. I got mine on Amazon. I'm going to give you the part number. It's a better mirror than the dealers and way cheaper. So let me show you the mirror and show you the tools. Okay, you're going to want a 10 millimeter. You got to do this trick I'm about to show you, or you will lose your mind, because all your sockets, they will fall down inside the frame of the door unless you do what I'm showing you. So watch this. Okay, first thing, get a small piece of paper. You need an extension socket. Okay, so you're going to take this small piece of paper like this, just put it over top of yours, put it over top of your extension socket, okay, and then put the socket on. So you get that on there real good. Okay, so I'm going to take this out now and watch what happens. Okay, so I put a magnet on my door, and it's right there, so that if at any point I lose control of this, it's going to stick to the magnet. At least that's what I hope. I'm telling you right now, it goes from right in your fingertips to lost in the frame in no time. And then you want to cry. Don't make yourself cry. Do this. Magnet's there. Please work, magnet. Please work. Aha, there it is. Look how nice that works. It just sticks right to that magnet. So you take this and be very careful. Put this somewhere safe. And then you do the next one. Okay, next bolt right here. Just gonna break it first. It's already broke. Okay, this one's really hard. This one here, it wants to fall down the door frame more than it wants anything in this world. So you have to be ready. This one here is so dangerous. I'm putting my magnet right there, hoping and praying my magnet will grab that if I drop it. Okay, now I gotta turn the camera off because I don't want to drop it, but do whatever you can. Shove something in there, in that door frame, whatever you gotta do, because do not lose that nut in the frame or you're done. Now for the third one. Now this one doesn't fall in the frame, so any idiot could do it, even me. Okay. Now this one is nice because you can just use good old-fashioned magnetivity. You can use your finger. It doesn't matter. This is like one you do when you're a kid with your bicycle. Easy. Watch this. Just undo it. Okay, watch this. I'll pretend I'm Butterfinger Man. Whoop, look at that. Beautiful. Right on the magnet. Now you just pull the mirror out. This was my mirror that was just rigged up for one day to get me through. I ordered Amazon Prime, but it was only supposed to be on here for a couple days. Do not rig up your own mirror. Don't do it. Get the right part because it's not worth it. But my mirror kept fogging up because I rigged it with whatever mirrors I had laying around. But here's the beautiful part. Look at this. How easy. I got it. Let me show you real quick the proper way. You want to make sure you get rid of it Coco, are you helping? Let's show them the right way to dispose of this. Real quick. Just do this. That's it. That's how you want to dispose of it. A new mirror. What do you think? Is this gonna work? What do we got? Oh, it comes in a nice, look at that. It comes in a nice cover. Look, I'll show everybody. Oh, is that a beauty? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this mirror. This is a nice mirror. What is the part number? What's the part number? Polyway, Pollyway 08066 RH, which means right hand, I imagine. And I'll give you the other part number once I get inside on the computer. But so let's just plug and play. Take the caps off, boom, get to it. Let's try it. Okay, see, I got the caps off. Now look, the best thing about this mirror is just one big mirror. No more of this split mirrors where you can't even tell what the heck's going on and you almost kill a guy on a motorcycle in your big box truck. You know, or maybe you got a cargo van, but it's still, if you almost run over a biker or a motorcyclist, you know what I mean, because the little tiny mirrors, they don't show up. You can't see these people. Nice, one big mirror, you can see it all. Those who like the big mirror versus those who hate it. Let's get all the internet trolls and everyone just angry. Let's debate it. Alright, so let me put this mirror in now, I'll show you. It's going. Okay, hold on, I gotta put the camera down. I'm sorry, but I can't do this. Can I? Oh, look, I did it. Let me put the camera down a second. I'm not breaking my new mirror for you animals. The paper in the socket, by the way, that's just so your socket doesn't fall off the extender. It happens. You don't believe me? I've done this job many times. You know why? You know why I've done this job many times? Why I'm an authority? Your local mechanic has never broken this mirror as many times as I have. I just shoved like a bag over the end. And now this way, when I go to screw it on, it won't fall down on the frame, you see? So I'm going to take this off of the wrench. I'm just going to do it like that. Here goes. Here we go. Just to show you, this is live, baby. This is live. If I lose this thing, you're going to hear me cry. Doing this. Come on, baby, don't fall. I don't care if you can see it, just believe me, I'm worried. I got it started. Wait, it's getting tight. Okay, cool. I got it out. Here we go. This thing just snaps in, you see? We just fixed it. Now that's an attractive mirror and a job well done.